Welcome to a guided meditation when you're feeling miserable on Declutter the Mind. So first, let's find a comfortable position, either seated in a chair or on the floor. And allow your eyes to close. And take a few moments to notice the sensations of your body in this space. And begin to notice the points of contact that your body is making. The feet on the floor, the hands in the lap, the back against the chair, and all with the intent here of grounding our attention, pulling our mind out of the worries of the day, out of planning, out of loathing, out of pain or sadness, and into the present moment. And now bring your attention to the breath, noticing the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen, and the feeling of the air entering and exiting your nose. And so with each breath, allow yourself to let go of any tension in your body, feeling the body getting lighter and more calm with each exhale. And now notice any thoughts or emotions that are present in your experience. Notice any feelings of sadness, loneliness, or hopelessness. Observe these feelings without judgment, as if you were a curious onlooker. And we're not manufacturing any feelings here. We're not trying to make ourselves feel anything. It's all about a neutrality, a calmness, an impartial look at the thoughts and feelings that come and go through the mind. And if anything attempts to pull your attention away from the breath, simply bring your mind back to the breath. And now pay attention to the physical sensations in your body that accompany these feelings. Notice any tightness or discomfort, maybe around your chest, shoulders, jaw, or stomach. And now allow yourself to be gentle and compassionate with yourself. Let's take a few moments here to silently repeat a comforting phrase or mantra to ourselves, such as, I am here for myself, or I am enough just as I am, for the next few moments. And now gradually bring your awareness back to your breath, noticing each inhalation and exhalation, noticing how your body feels as you take a few more moments to just be in the present moment. And then when you're ready, gently open your eyes. And just take a few moments here to reflect on your experience before moving on with your day. Notice any changes in your body, the thoughts and emotions. Take with you the reminder that you are enough just as you are. Thanks for sitting, and I'll see you next time. Thanks again for taking the time to practice. If you've enjoyed this practice, please be sure to like and subscribe. You can also join and become a member and receive access to courses and more. Head on over to declutterthemind.com for more and download our free iOS and Android app.